Classification of virus. According to ICTV, International Committee on the Taxonomy of Virus, only three hierarchical present: family, genus and species only. For example, AIDS. Virus that cause AIDS. Family. Retroviridae. Genus. Lentivirus. Species. HIV. That means family suffixed with viridae, genus suffixed with virus, and species actually what symptom it causes. Human immunovirus species. That means AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This is the virus causing disease. And the classification of virus: AIDS virus, family Retroviridae, genus Lentivirus, species HIV.